In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Zoho Invoice templates. Customizing your invoices in Zoho is a straightforward process, and it only takes a few minutes to make them align perfectly with your brand. So let's dive in. To kick things off, you'll want to log into your Zoho Books account. Ensure that you're using the correct credentials to ensure a smooth entry into your dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the settings icon, which you'll usually find tucked away in the top corner of your dashboard. This is your go-to place for adjusting various account preferences so they align better with your business's specific needs. Now let's get into the meat of the process. You'll want to locate the customization section next. Click on it and then proceed to select the PDF templates option. Here you'll discover all your saved templates and have the freedom to modify them as necessary. From the suite of available options, choose Invoices. You'll want to select the Edit option on the template that you're keen to work with. This action opens up the editor, which comes equipped with several tools designed to personalize every nook and cranny of your invoice. Let's start by giving some attention to the header and footer. This is the perfect opportunity to integrate your company logo, contact information, and any messaging that reflects your brand's identity. It's crucial to get this right, as it's often the first impression clients will have when they receive your invoice. Moving on, direct your focus to the transaction details section. It's essential that this part clearly articulates the products or services you've provided. Then, take a look at the table section. Customizing this part to arrange line items in a clear and easy-to-read format helps avoid any potential confusion for your clients and fosters a smoother transaction process. As you scroll down, you'll come to the totals area. Here, double-check that every bit of calculation, tax, and discount is accurate. It's always worth a thorough look to ensure all numbers reflect what's intended. Do a quick review of the other customizable elements and make any additional tweaks that align with your business style and preferences. Before wrapping up, hit the preview button to get a visual confirmation of how your invoice will appear to clients. Previewing gives you that reassurance that everything is polished, formatted correctly, and maintains a professional look. Once you're satisfied with how everything's laid out, go ahead and click Save to apply all your changes. And there you have it. Your Zoho Invoice template is now completely customized and ready for action. This streamlined process helps ensure your invoices are not only professional and clear, but also tailored precisely to your business's needs. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing!